here. Welcome to my channel and my home. If you've been here before, I'm so glad you stopped by, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Nona. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul that's all about crafting. But first, I have a very important announcement. In a week, I'm going to have a subscriber giveaway as a thank you to all of my subscribers. And I know a lot of you have subscribed, but you're not showing up on my subscriber list. So I need you to do something very important so that you will show up as one of my subscribers. On your YouTube page, look at the top right-hand corner. There is an icon that may have your picture, your initial, or just an outline of a person. Please click on that icon and it will bring down a drop-down menu. Scroll down to where it says Settings. Click on that. Then on the left-hand side will be another menu, and scroll down to Privacy. Click on Privacy, and that will open something and it will show you subscriptions. Be sure that your YouTube is not checked to have all subscriptions as private, because if your subscriptions are listed as private, I can't see that you're subscribed. And in order to be eligible for my giveaway for subscribers, I have to be able to see that you're subscribed, that it's public. So please make sure that number one, you're subscribed, and number two, that your subscriptions are not private but public. So if you haven't subscribed, please be sure and do that today. And if you are subscribed, please make sure that your subscriptions are public. I'll put these directions again down in the description box, and be sure and stay tuned to my videos to watch for my giveaway. Now let's get on to my Dollar Tree haul of craft supplies. Recently we went to Houston to visit family and friends, and I got to go to some new Dollar Trees. You know, even if you go to Dollar Trees right around your town, different Dollar Trees have different things. And I was real excited to find different things in the Houston Dollar Trees that I don't see around here in Pensacola. So I want to do a pumpkin topiary. And I did see these, but I hadn't picked them up, and I was afraid till I got back to Pensacola they'd all be gone. So I picked up a couple of these foam pumpkins that you can carve. They're kind of big, and so that'll be the base. Now I do different kinds of crafting. I know a lot of people are farmyard, and I'm not farmyard. I'm more modern, eclectic, so I plan on doing something a little different than what you see in the crafters that are more farmyard. But I still watch them because I can still watch them and get ideas, and I enjoy watching them, and they make beautiful things, but I can tweak it so that it's more modern or eclectic, which is more my taste. So that's one pumpkin I got. And then I got this one because this size, it's so pretty. I kind of hate to cut it up, but this is a good size to go on a topiary. So I got that one. And then I got this one that is another size to go on the topiary. And I'm going to be painting these so that they're all the same. Then I got these two that are kind of the same, different colors and everything. This one's got some glitter on it, so I'm gonna have to work to get the glitter off, but that's okay. And then I got this one because I was afraid I wasn't gonna be able to find one this size, and it's a light up one, but I just thought I could turn it around so that you didn't see the jack-o'-lantern face, but I may just leave it like it is and use it as decor and use it to light up because it's got a lot of glitter on it. There's glitter all over my home because, you know, when you work on crafting and there's glitter everywhere, so I'm always sweeping up glitter. Oh, then I got another one of those carved ones that you can carve because I thought I'd do maybe two topiaries. Then I got this one, which is ugly, and I never would have bought it, but the pumpkin head on it, it's a ghost, and it's got the wire arms and everything. But I didn't buy it for that. I bought it for the pumpkin head, so I was going to deconstruct it. But I'll keep all this ugly stuff, because who knows what I can use that for. You know, crafters, we never throw anything away. Then I found these little bucket pumpkins, and I thought that could be the top. That would be good for the top. So I got a package of those, and that, oh, and then because I'm going to do more modern, eclectic, I didn't want the, you know, I've seen a lot of the burlap leaves and everything that the farm house people use in theirs, but I didn't want that. But I found these leaves that are maple leaves, but there's the gold shiny ones. So I got 2 packs of those to make sure I had enough of the gold shiny to put with my pumpkins that are going to be more of the modern. And let's see, then I got a couple of these because I have an idea that I want to make with these, but the reason why I got them is because I like this, the ends, the trick-or-treat ends. And so you're not going to see the trick-or-treat the idea that I have, but I wanted this pattern. So I got several of these to do another DIY. Then I got these fasteners. You know, I know seamstresses use a lot of these, but I have an idea where I could maybe use these. And I don't see these too much in my stores here in Florida. So when I saw them, I thought I better pick them up. I try not to buy too much stuff that I don't have an idea what I'm going to use them for, but these are small so I can store them because I don't have a lot of storage space. Then I bought this is glue and residue eraser, which I thought would come in real handy because, you know, you're always trying to take those stickers off of the different Dollar Tree items that you're going to use for crafting. So I got that. I used the Gooby Gone and a scraper to get the things off. I try a hair dryer, but for me the hair dryer doesn't get hot enough and doesn't take the stickers off as well. Then I found some felt letters in white and blue, so I picked up 2 packs of those. The other day I found some in black and red here in Pensacola. You know, I'm still looking for those wooden letters. Would someone tell me what is going on with the wooden letters? I don't understand it. I find wooden numbers everywhere, but I have looked for wooden letters for months, and I never find the wooden letters. And I know I need like 5 or 6 packages because there's only one letter for one of each letter of the alphabet in the packages. So if you want to make the word fall, you need at least 2 packages for the 2 L's. And I never see the wooden letters. I don't know whether we just don't get them, but they didn't have any in Houston either. Or whether they come in and people like me are looking for them, and as soon as they come in, they buy 10 or 12 packages and then they're all gone. I don't know. So if you know what the secret is, let me know, because I see not the wooden numbers all over the place. The wooden letters nowhere. I don't know what the deal is. Okay. So then I found these for stenciling. I was doing one project where I was stenciling, and I didn't have the right stencil things, and so I went and got a makeup brush that I just bought. That it was one of those Echo tools to put on blush, and it was styrofoam, and I thought, well, and I hadn't used it, so I opened it up and I used it to stencil. You know, sometimes you just have to be creative, and so makeup had to suffer in order for crafting, and it worked fine, but I would have rather had a real stencil brush, so I picked up some of those so the next time I don't have to sacrifice a makeup brush to do stenciling. Then I got these, I really like these kind of brushes, these flat brushes. It's got a flat brush and then a teeny tiny little pointed brush, and I have something I want to do that I need the flat brush and the teeny tiny brush, so I got 2 packs of those. These are great brushes. I mean, for $1 you just can't beat it. Then I got some pretty orange sparkle ribbon that I'm going to need for one of the projects that I wanted, well, for the pumpkin topiary that I have in mind. Then I have one more Halloween wreath that I need to do for a friend. And so I found these, and I hadn't seen these here in Florida. So I picked these up. By the way, if you want to know how to do the Halloween wreath, it was posted on Saturday, September 13th, 12th, 13th, whatever that Saturday is. That video was posted with directions on how to make that Halloween wreath. It's purple, but you can do it orange or black, whatever color you want to, with the spiders and everything. So if you're interested in that, go back and look at the videos, because I give the directions with the 2 secrets on how to make that wreath. It's easy once you know the 2 secrets. It took me 5 times to catch on how to make it. But anyway, so I got these because I've got one more wreath that I need to make for a friend. The other things that I got, which I haven't seen here in Pensacola, is I got some sticker letters. Gosh, I used to do a lot of scrapbooking, and I sure paid a whole bunch more than $1 for letters. So I got some red and black ones, because I don't know whether well, of course the wooden letters are much larger than this, but I got these in case I can make use of those. And then the other thing I got, and I've seen these in Florida, I just didn't pick them up, and so when I saw them, I thought, you know, I better pick those up. These are the cork sheets, and I've seen a lot of crafters using these. So I thought, you know, something's going to come up, and I'm going to need them, and they don't take a lot of room, so I'm going to put these in and bring them back. I had taken a suitcase over with wreaths for family members, so I had a big, large suitcase full of wreaths. It was real light, but it was empty coming home, so I had a lot of room to put all my crafts supplies that I bought in Houston back with me. See, that was a good idea. I think I'm going to have to do that again, put lots of things I'm going to give away in a large suitcase so that when I come home, I can bring a lot of Dollar Tree stuff back with me that I don't find here in Florida. Because my husband was like, you have a huge bag of Dollar Tree stuff in the closet. And I said, yeah, and I have an empty suitcase too. Nona ain't crazy. She knows what she's doing. Okay, and the last thing I found, okay, I just was walking around, and I don't know why they had these up. Halloween. I guess it was for Halloween costumes. But remember that little girl's white hat that I bought? That, you know, Grumpy Grandpa was saying, why are you buying a little girl's hat? Well, I bought a little girl's hat for Easter that I have an idea to make an Easter craft. And so I was walking around and I saw these Easter bunny ears. There's the tail too. But there's the Easter bunny hat with a little bow. And I thought, that is perfect. That is exactly what I'm going to need for my Easter craft with the little white hat. So I grabbed those and put those away for my Easter craft. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. That's all I got. It filled up, no, it didn't really fill up a suitcase, but it was fun shopping in different Dollar Trees, and I had a good time. So now I got to get to busy crafting, but I've got my nails on, so I need to do some other stuff, because once I start crafting, you know, the nails have got to come off. I'm not really crazy about these nails. They're too long, they're too sharp. They came in my Ipsy, I think, from last time. And man, oh man, when you're not used to wearing nails this long and this sharp, they can really get in the way. But anyway, I get a lot of compliments on them, but next time I'm getting the shorter ones that are squared off. Okay, so stay tuned, because you know what's coming up. A giveaway for subscribers. So you want to make sure you're subscribed, because that's the #1 rule. And I'll list the other rules. Are real simple. It's not a hard to do. You don't have to stand on your head and whistle Dixie or anything to enter the giveaway. It's a real easy one. I just want to do a little giveaway to thank my subscribers for subscribing to my new channel. I really appreciate it. And so you want to stay tuned for that. And you know what we say. Be kind to everyone, because there's a lot of crazies out there. See you next time.